Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 魚. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我們一起讀魚. So actually, 魚 is this one, this final 魚. But we only use 魚, so when you write, you need to write like this. 魚. And second time, 魚. Very good. Now let's write it. 我們一起寫撇橫撇豎橫折橫豎橫橫魚 means fish. No matter the food fish or the animal fish. It's also we call it 魚. Okay, can you tell me, do you like 魚? Comment below and tell me. 你可以告訴我你喜歡魚嗎？在下方評論區告訴我。If you like this video, please like it and share it to your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.